In less than a minute, we'll create a solid Next.js architecture. Let's start with pages directory. This is a routes directory containing all the routes of your application. So there's home route, about route, login route, so on. Components directory. This contains each and every page of your application. For example, about page, home page, contact page, and so on. Modules directory. This contains the reusable components or packages such as headers, navbar, UI components, and so on. Utils directory. This contains the necessary functions used across the entire application, such as hooks, APIs, configurations, and so on. Packages directory. This will contains all the reusable third-party packages or the APIs. And the last one is a Redux directory that contains the state management. You can use XState or React Context API, but make sure you create a dedicated directory of it. I have added the repository link in the description. That's it for today, people. Until next time, have a good day.